regular story, which we'll get into.
Thank you.
In the dream jeans. We don't call ours petite, but.
Got it.
Pause on that. We'll come back to that in a little bit.
Oh, I'd love to hear more about it. Thank you, Angel.
You're welcome.
What would I do without you here?
I'm happy to be here. I'm so happy to work with you.
I am so happy too.
We get these production notes, and I'm like, Avisha, please call me. I haven't even met you yet. Please call me. And then we bumped into each other yesterday, so we got the hellos out of the way before coming on air today. So okay, I'm going to let you do your job.
This
now.
is the kaleidoscope of butterfly. That's what I thought of when I saw this. It's the Love is in the Air French terry tunic top. It's 95% cotton, 5% spandex. The length here is 28.5 inches. This is on sale, on clearance for $39.99. You're saving $20 off the original price of $59. First day presented at this price, and there's no reorder. This is the French blue. Here is the lilac ice. Gorgeous.
We don't do a ton of purple, so if purple is your, color, definitely try for this lilac ice. The colors are fairly the same in the embroidery. It's just the shirt that's different.
And here is the black, which is limited. Fewer than 100 and these are remaining. The sizes are extra, extra small through 3X. And the butterfly motif is just stunning. It really is different against each color shirt. It really does. Even though they're the exact same, aren't they?
Yes.
But it looks different because each color shirt brings it out.
Isn't it amazing how the eye dances depending upon what color the base color is? Now, when you look at this and you see the name sweatshirt, I just want to call out right at the beginning, this is not a thick, heavy, fleece-lined sweatshirt.
It's French terry. Look at those loops right there. That's super breathable.
It's really more in the shaping of the top itself. So you have the band at the bottom, you have a band at the cuffs, you have that French terry detail, you have that band at the neckline.
And there's the measurements there on the screen as well. Semi-fitted, so it follows the lines of the body with added wearing ease. Again, 95% cotton, 5% spandex. And I believe on QVC.com there is some measurement chart. I just saw.
Yes, yes, there is. Also, if you, for a sweatshirt like this, I like to go up a size because I like a roomier sweatshirt feel. I'm not saying you have to. I'm saying if that's how you'd like it to fit, you can absolutely do that. So can we take a deep dive into the embroidery?
Absolutely.
Since we did the whole,
which color would you like to?
The blue is good.
The blue is good. Let's do that.
So we've done hearts for a very long time. We've done butterflies for a long time. But I love it when John can bring them both together, because if we're standing down the hall from each other and you see me, you're just going to see the heart, right?
Yeah.
But as we get closer to each other and we're in each other's personal spaces, you then see that incredible detail of all of the individual butterflies. Not only are you getting these embroidered, they're accented with sequins, heart-shaped studs, and rhinestones. So there is so much going on here, but from a distance, you just see that heart.
And look at the way that the light is catching. Look at that sparkle in that color. It's so beautiful. And butterflies are so symbolic.
They really are.
Yeah, the metamorphosis.
Yes.
And transformation.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. And so one of the things I was saying yesterday with tops similar to this is, maybe you have a friend who's going through a little something and you want to send her a little gift, a little perk me up kind of a thing. Instead of a bouquet of flowers that eventually have to go up in the garbage, you can send something like this, and every time she puts it on, whether she's lounging on the couch with her dream jean pants and this sweatshirt watching her favorite show, she'll think of you. Like you're sending her a hug from across across the country.
I love that. And I'm holding up the black right here, which I love the contrast. I love the way that the butterflies, the brightness shows up on the black.
Me too.
And you have the lilac ice, but sorry, I'll go in order. Right here in the center is French blue. Yeah, so there's those 3 colors, and this is on clearance, $39.99. So it's not coming back. It's just such a great deal.
It really is, and I'm super excited. Hi, Nancy.
Oh my goodness.
Come on out.
Girl, you look so gorgeous.
Congratulations.
Thank you, my
Quacker
friend.
Factory.
Yeah, everybody's sick here, so we're trying to love each other from a distance.
Hi. Hi.
I know.
I'm not sick. You can hug me.
Oh, I miss you.
So good to see you.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Angel. Quacker Factory, right?
Gorgeous.
Thank you, girl.
This is a great look.
Bourgeois, as
How
Mally
fun
would
is
say.
this? I wish I was on the show with y'all.
We're having I'm
Me
having
too.
so much fun, Angel. I'm so glad you're here with me.
I said you're gonna love.
Yeah,
Quacker
she
Factory,
did.
and it is so fun. And she is the best.
The best.
Bye, everyone.
And honestly, I'm so glad you're here in person.
Oh yeah,
That's-
Angel, thank you so much.
I will see you soon.
Okay, I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.
Look, I'm saying goodbye to the camera, but I'm staying here. I'm staying here.
You're
for
staying
another
right
45
here.
minutes.
Don't you go
another
anywhere.
45 minutes anyway. But
Where were you?
Yeah, I know, right? So we love a sweatshirt as
Yeah.
much as desperate as we are for spring.
Mm-hmm.
It's still that cool weather where we need a sweatshirt.
Right.
So this is perfect to wear right now. You're seeing this on Tony. I believe she's 5'6" and wears our, oh, look at this. And she wears our size medium. That's what
There you go.
5'5". She's 5'5".
And there's the
bad.
measurements on the screen right now. And what's
Adores.
great about this is it's kind of an all year round sweatshirt.
I'm going rogue while you finish
Oh,
your
you're about
thought.
to put it on?
Nope, I'm gonna
Okay.
just. I'm pairing. I like to pair.
So I do think this is an all year round sweatshirt because, again, it has the spring, the Valentine's Day motif here. But then again, like in the summertime, if you go inside of a restaurant or go inside of air conditioning, it's cold.
Absolutely.
So you need a little sweatshirt. And why not one
agreed.
with these beautiful colors?
I love it with
oh,
the
yeah.
pink,
Look at that.
the deal.
That looks so good.
It just really it just pulls out all of those lighter colors in the embroidery. And you know, we've done sweatshirts for a long, long time, and so that's why I'd like to call out that this is not the one that's fleece lined.
Yeah.
This is something you can wear all year long.
Right.
It does get cool, as you know, in the spring. It's cool at night, or maybe you're walking the dog in the morning and you need a little something you want to throw on.
Yeah.
I love cozying up and just sitting on the couch, and my husband and I binge watch something or watch a movie. But I'll tell you, I can't watch movies with him because he falls asleep instantly. And then he wakes up and he's like, "Who's that guy?" I'm like, "Stop doing it. Stop."
My husband does that too when he's reading a book.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, so yeah, as you were saying, it's not that heavy sweatshirt material. This is not
Right.
like your husband's sweatshirt he wears to the gym. This
Right.
is that French terry, that nice, fine, breathable fabric with these loops that are just divine. That's going to feel really soft against your skin. And
fabric is
again,
great.
the embroidery is done very, very well. But if you'd like to wear a tank or something under that so you don't feel that, but then again, if your bra is right under here, you might not feel that either
Yeah.
under your skin.
Absolutely.
All right, so that's $39.99. The three colors. Starting here, we have French blue, which has been the most popular and the
Okay.
most limited. Here is ice lilac, or lilac ice, I should say. Here is black.
And there is a hint of
4
green.
dozen left in the black.
There's a hint of green metallic thread. Just heads up to my gals who are
Okay.
hypersensitive.
Great, that's the Quacker Factory Love is in the Air Tunic sweatshirt on clearance for $39.99. Ooh, is this what you call a dynamic